Okay, so I'm going to be doing my video transformation assignment. So my base function I'm going to choose is y equals x absolute value, the absolute value graph. And for my equation is y equals -2 absolute value 2x minus 3 bracket absolute value minus 2 is my k value. Okay, so the first step is to draw out my base function. So I'm going to draw that. And then my points are going to be 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, and then on the other side it's -1, 1, and then -2, 2. Okay, and so my first transformation is going to be a reflection. Wait, I'll show you. This is what it looks like so far. So my first transformation is going to be using the negative, so I'm reading left to right. So we're going to do the negative first. So what we're doing is we're reflecting it over the y-axis. So I'm just going to reflect my points over it. So 0, 0 is going to stay the same. This is going to change. And then yeah, so we're just reflecting, I'm just reflecting all my points over the y-axis. I mean the x-axis, my bad, sorry. Okay. So now it looks like this. So I reflected it. And then the next transformation we're going to be doing is the 2. So this is a vertical stretch of 2. So what I'm just doing is I'm multiplying all my y values by 2. So just gonna sorry. And this is gonna be 1, 2, 3. Okay, so wait, I didn't have to draw the lines, my bad. Oops, make sure your lines are straight because you don't want an ugly graph. And make sure your lines go right directly through your points. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Okay, so this is what my graph looks like now. So I reflected it over the x-axis, and then I stretched it. This is my new graph right now by a factor of 2. Okay, so now we have to deal with the inside of the absolute value bracket. And this is the horizontal compression of 2. So what I'm doing is I'm dividing all my x values by 3. Okay, so this turns into 0. And this turns into I'm not sure if I'm supposed to do it on separate graphs, but I will highlight my finished product after it's done. Okay, so I only have a minute left, but this is what it supposed to look like now. So that's in there is my other graph. And now I'm just gonna translate my units. So I'm translating it 3 to the right and down 2 because that's what it's asking you to do. So this is 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3. And then now for my final step, I'm going to be translating it down 2. So 1, 2, Okay. I know it looks a little messy, but this is my finished product right there. This graph right there. And yeah, thank you.